Here's the problem with most workshops. Jobs are still tracked on paper. Paper gets dirty, paper gets lost, and no one actually knows what's happening on the floor in real time. So why hasn't it changed? Because most production tracking software is a nightmare to set up. Flying in consultants, servers, training days, big costs, before you even know if it fits into your business. That's where Stagetrac is different. Stagetrac is the most frictionless production tracking system on the market. No servers, no consultants, no hardware upgrades. All you need is an internet connection and a work email. You can be live in under 5 minutes. It's free to start, no contracts, no commitment. If it doesn't fit your workshop, you stop using it. Simple as. Training is online, bite-sized, and optional. And the software is so intuitive, your team can use it the same day. Stagetrac is built in Australia for real Aussie workshops. And if you ever need us to visit, we are never far away. Try Stagetrac today. See what's actually happening in your workshop.